अगर आपको भी स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है और आप फिटनेस फ्रीक हैं तो ये खबर आपके लिए फायदेमंद है कि सोमवार को मुंबई में टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग के तीसरे सीजन की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। इस खास मौके पर बॉलीवुड के कई सितारे भी शामिल हुए। अभिनेत्री सोनाली बेंद्रे भी यहाँ पहुंची। इस दौरान उनका कहना था,
एक्साइटेड है वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि थर्ड सीजन है और इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हर साल ग्रो किया है इस लीग ने। एंड जब शुरू किया था छोटा था और हम लोग होप कर रहे थे कि ये ग्रो करेगा और हम बहुत खुश हैं कि इट्स ग्रोन सो मच। आई थिंक अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स को एज अ मदर आई फील दैट sports need to be played a lot more. And Kunal, who's part of the TPL, and Leander, who was very instrumental in it. जब उन्होंने फ़ोन किया, my son used to learn tennis with them, and I said, यार, it was so good for him, especially in the city, court पे आके खेलना. It's so good for your health and your mental health also. So anything that I can do to promote a sport, I was very happy to do. And also I was very happy to say that hand-eye coordination sport में सिर्फ cricket नहीं है, tennis भी है और it's fun also. And I love watching it. So yeah.
क्या किस तरह से पावरफुली सपोर्ट किया था टीम को?
Yeah, we are the champions.
हाँ. And तो इस साल किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन है?
बिल्कुल वैसे ही प्रे करेंगे। प्रे कर रहे हैं कि हम we bring it, keep it right with us only. We don't give up the cup.
So since you said we were the champion, किस तरह से motivate कर रही हैं टीम को? क्या golden work?
Well, I think we have really great mentors in the team, and they are going to be doing it. We have great players also. Rutuja we have retained, and Radhika is our mentor. We have Saket this year, so I'm really looking forward to it.
टेनिस स्टार खिलाड़ी सानिया मिर्जा भी यहाँ पहुंची। उनका कहना था,
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's a great format. I mean, tennis, as everybody knows, is an individual sport, so it's really nice to play in a team event, and it's great to have all the top players of the country play in this event 3 years in a row. And I obviously wasn't part of it last 2 years, but I'm glad to be here.
Well, you being a player, how are you going to motivate the team members?
Well, I guess being a player, I know the emotions that go into it, and I've been part of various teams in my life, so I hope I can bring that energy and that positive energy.
Well,
Okay,
it's
so
going
ma'am,
to
you have served India so many years. Are you looking forward for any players who can serve India for so many years as long you have did it?
I don't know. I mean, I hope they can do it even longer. There are so many amazing players here. All the top players of the country are here, whether it's the men or the women. And I think that all of them have the potential to do well. I think it's just about putting in that work and hopefully God being kind.
Well, it's going to be competition, or is it going to be a fun night for you?
I don't think it's competition. Today is more about getting to know everybody and a fun night. But
अदिति राव हैदरी भी यहाँ पहुंची।
I'm very excited. I think it's an amazing format. It's very exciting. And I think that something really good is being done for tennis for this country, because we're trying to make tennis more popular. And tennis is actually a very popular sport in India. I think in every household, somebody or the other plays tennis. So I think it's really good for tennis.
दिव्या खोसला कुमार भी इस मौके पर मौजूद थी। INS रिपोर्ट।